In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a Notion database. Filtering is one of the most powerful ways to work with data in Notion. It lets you narrow down what you see, so you're only looking at the pages or entries that actually matter in that moment. Instead of scrolling through a long list, you can quickly zero in on tasks that are due this week, projects that are in progress, or anything with a specific status or tag. First, open the Notion database you want to work with. This could be a table, a board, a list, a gallery, or even a calendar. As long as it's a database view, the filtering options will be available. Make sure you're on the correct page and the correct view, especially if you have multiple views set up like All Tasks, This Week, or Completed. Once your database is open, look near the top of the view for the area where Notion shows options like Sort, Search, and Filter. This is usually along the top bar of the database, just above your rows or cards. On many setups, you'll see a small button or label that mentions filters, or an option you can click to start adding them. Go ahead and click on that highlighted filter area to open the filter settings. When you click it, Notion will show you a panel or drop-down where you can define exactly how you want to filter your database. This is where you choose which property you want to filter by. In this example, we're going to filter by status, which is a very common property in task and project databases. Locate the property list in the Filter panel, then click on Status from that list. After you select Status, Notion will let you choose how to filter it. For example, you might choose to show only items where the status is set to In Progress, or only items where the status is Not Started or Done. The exact options will depend on how your status property is set up in your own database, but the idea is the same. You're telling Notion to only display entries that match that particular status. As soon as you apply the filter, your database view will update automatically. You should now see a more focused list that only includes items with the status you selected. You can always come back to this filter area to add more conditions, remove existing ones, or adjust them as your needs change. And that's all you need to get started filtering a Notion database using the status property.